Vivo has launched the Vivo Y500 in China. Vivo Y500 starts at 1,399 Chinese yuan for 8/128 GB version, and its biggest headline feature is a massive 8,200 mAh battery. Support 90W fast charging, 100% in 64 minutes, and also bypass charging. The phone comes with IP69+ ratings for water and dust resistance. The company has released a teaser that gives a first look at the design. It shows a punch-hole display on the front, a dual rear camera setup with a ring-shaped LED flash, and 3 color options: black, blue, and violet. 677-inch micro-quad curved FHD plus 120Hz AMOLED screen, 3840 PWM dimming, 5000 nits peak brightness. The Y500 will reportedly run on MediaTek's Dimensity 7300 processor. The rear cameras are said to include a 50MP main sensor with a secondary lens, while the front will feature an 8MP selfie camera. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.